Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just here to show you another one of the pre-owned units we currently have here on the lot. This model is a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo trim level. Now if you're looking for a great everyday commuter vehicle, this could be a great option for you. This model is packed with a lot of great features and also offers a very dependable, great everyday ride. As we come around towards the back of the unit here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped on the model, as well as your rear park sense, so you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. You do get a decent amount of storage space in the unit as well, as you can see in that back cargo area. So there is quite a bit of room back there for you to store all your extra gear and bags out of the way while on the go. Now the Grand Cherokee model also offers great 4x4 capabilities as well, so it gives you a little bit of extra handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. But you can see the exterior of the unit is in overall good condition across the entire vehicle. So just to check out some of the features inside now. So the unit itself can sit up to 5 passengers. So you can see in that back seat you do get a decent amount of legroom back there, so your passengers can sit quite comfortably. The seats themselves are a cloth seat, so again offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. So up front you can see you do have your touchscreen display area up there. It is a very user-friendly interface, so you do have access to all your audio, your media controls built in there. Everything easily accessible in through there. Your climate controls, as you can see there are some just apps set into the unit as well, so you can see those are all accessible in through there. Of course, your Bluetooth capabilities. You have the compass equipped on there, and just some of the other general settings for the unit as well. Just below that, again, you have access to just some of your basic audio media controls, your climate controls in below that. And in through your center console area, you do have a little bit of storage space, as well as your media ports just in behind there to help keep you connected while on the go. Your steering wheel mounted controls, so here you have access to all your cruise control options, your Bluetooth, you connect capabilities just in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel you do also have access to control your audio media controls, so everything easily accessible right at your fingertips so that you can keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. You do have your power windows, locks, and side mirrors equipped on the model. And as you can see just towards the center bottom of the screen there, the unit does have 23,680 kilometers currently on it. So you can see this 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee does have a great blend of features equipped in it. If you have any other questions about this unit or any of the other vehicles on our lot, please feel free to give us a call at 780-826-2999.